Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing the applications are stuck on the screen and you are not able to open the applications, it froze like it's hanging sometimes. So I show you in this video how you can overcome these mistake you made. So firstly you have to not full your storage, like if you have 64 GB or 128 GB, just don't full it. You have to clear some of the space. So firstly you have to click on file manager or files by Google, give the access. So firstly you have to remove some of the documents, files, photos, videos in your smartphone that are not usable and not useful. So delete them to release some of the space. Then friends, you have to do a software update. If your smartphone needs an update and it has a new software update by the Redmi, you have to do it for better performance and compatibility. And thirdly, you can just restart your device and then it will be fixed. If it is not fixing, that is the internal problem in the smartphone, you can go nearby service center for the uh, smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.